Hello everyone, welcome to bmodel.com. We used to see continuous tools tutorial. In this tutorial, we are not going to see tools options. We just going to see frequently asked two questions. The first question is that can I switch my careers? People are tend to work with CAD platforms, AutoCAD drafting positions, and they want to switch the career to BIM. The second thing is that somebody who is a homemaker and they stopped practicing architecture or civil practicing and they wanted to start their career back uh, to as a BIM. They come to know that BIM is the new thing happening around the world. So my recommendation, first of all, if your existing company is proposing or going forward with the BIM, you definitely start it. And if your company is still practicing CAD, I would recommend definitely start with BIM career. You can begin your BIM career as side by side. CAD is slowly it's existing, but it will be there. Definitely, CAD will be there in the market for still modifying the drawings, existing drawings, unless otherwise we execute all the construction using the 3D model. It's way of some companies are doing. If still some most of the companies are 2D practice are there, executions are happening in the 2D, so definitely 2D will be there. But will it be in a respected or will it the job profile will be respected, or will it be in demand? The demand and cost will come as for the salary. So will it be there? That's a question mark. BIM and Dynamo and automation and programming, that's the way demands and new things are happening. Even Autodesk introducing AI in their tools. So soon definitely number of users are going to increase. On the other side, due to the AI, number of users needs will be reduced. At the same time, number of countries needs to implement BIM. That is most likely in India. If they introduce in all the buildings, definitely the demand will be more. So definitely you start BIM learnings. That will be much more easy for you to switching your careers as well, or taking a job role. The second question that I come to more occurrence, more times it come to my chats or commands in the YouTube comments. Uh, how long will it take to learn Revit, or how much faster I can learn? So definitely, you know that I may not be able to know your skill set or the way that you learn it. So I cannot answer those. It's also based on what softwares you know earlier and what is your capabilities of learning or how much time that you will be spending. So it's purely based on that. So if I want to tell you an example, a person who couldn't understand English, and the person who couldn't do any softwares prior, and I made him to watch Revit tutorials 5 times without caring about anything. He watched it and he practiced the same thing, and he was able to do the Revit, and he was able to understand English at the 3 to 6 month of period of time. So if that is the case, and if you know English and you know some softwares already, you will be able to learn it much faster. That's my I'm very much confident that I can propose and tell you. Only thing is that initial interface understanding will be difficult. Once if you are able to understand it, that is one thing you will be able to do it. The most important thing about BIM and Revit, you need to understand the standards, what is available, what is BIM apart from Revit, what is BIM and what standards needs to be followed, and what things to be the process needs to be followed in the BIM industry. Understanding those things are very much important. So you learn side by side that as well. So how much faster. If you know the basic things of Revit and you know already some software, even you can learn it in a month time. In a 5 days, 5 to 10 days of full days sessions, you will be able to learn it. So do let me know if you need any personal one-on-one training that I can try and match your time and we can do it. So these are the two questions was asked. Do let me know if you have any other questions relevant to this BIM industry and other things. If I know, I can help you to understand it better. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorials of BIM. Do follow our channel. Do hype the video so that others also can learn it what is happening. And see you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.